Okay. 2024 12th of April. Market is open. We are looking at Nasdaq, trying to catch that long somewhere here. Yeah, it's pulling down to 95. There's the liquidity 95 and 90. I will try to catch that.
Brent crude currently hitting the highest since October on the Mideast conflict.
1 minute on this candle. So we did drop overnight. We grabbed that liquidity here. Just make this red. And 90, there's a liquidity in 90 as well. Somebody at 95 is really trying to grab that. ES is pushing already much higher. Let's try to catch this Nasdaq before it's gonna fly away. One more dip. Alright, fine. We just get one more here.
Order submitted.
We can get it. Couldn't. They are loading up. It's a valuation account. I blew up yesterday my funded account, so I'm going a little bit more aggressive with this sizing, trying to trade NQ instead of MNQ, which is quite risky, but I think I'm in a pretty good place for a bounce higher into this liquidity here. But I would like to have two contracts, so I can close one here.
On CNBC,
try to run
it'll be hard to get inflation back to 2%.
Yeah. Maybe not. Let's try to grab it even lower. But let's say maybe they're gonna go and try to grab that liquidity from that 5-minute candle. $95. Let's go 97, 95.75.
Order
All right,
filled.
I'm in. Let's see now. Here's the target. This is a minor liquidity.
BlackRock CEO Fink says maybe 2 rate cuts this year.
There is a fair value gap here. Even like this.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
Let's look at EOS, what EOS is doing. Okay, EOS has got liquidity up to 20. That's 8 points. Okay, let's hold Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq is pushing 44. I'm gonna add
Order
one more.
filled.
We push to this 25, 30. Okay, so whoever was short from overnight, they will be closing this now. And here's ultimate place where they need to close the shorts. So after that, we're gonna get a nice push. Oh, shorts have stop losses above this level. So I can close one here,
Order
maybe even
submitted.
2. I'm gonna close 2.
Order submitted.
One before. Another before. That's a 15-minute candle here. It's a bit earlier, so that's the first. Okay, that's the first level. That's the second level, and then we can keep the rest. See how far we're gonna go. $30.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
first target hit. That's the minor liquidity that we've been talking about. The second target will be hit here. Let's go. Yeah, we have a liquidity up to 350 in the middle of this fair value gap. So let's see if we're gonna squeeze. We should. Come on. Let's go up. Try one more time. just a bit of front running. I don't know. We'll see how far we're gonna go on this, but I might close everything once we hit that. Okay, 35. Front running. They are front running that level. That's the always question what to do. Should I take a little bit? Or should I hold this? Yes, it's approaching view up there. There you go. "34 seconds on this candle." $9.49. God damn it.
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get University of Michigan data. Sentiment prelim forecast 79 on the prior 79.4 with a range of 82 to 77. 1 year inflation prelim forecast 2.9% on the prior 2.9%. 5 year inflation prelim forecast 2.8% on the prior 2.8%. Expectations prelim forecast
They pull back, but they're
78 on
buying
the
it.
prior 77.4. And
I
condition
was
prelim
squeezed now.
forecast 81.3 on the prior 82.5.
Alright, okay, I just wanted to pull all the shots to the downside. Now we should squeeze through that high. Up to 40. Let's go. $35.40. At least here. So let's just close this one at least here. It's gonna play around with me for a while. But eventually it's gonna... Nah, I just stick to the rules. ICT rules. To and through. So... Let's see what's gonna happen. Shoot. Weak. God damn it. 2 more minutes on this candle. ES is pulling as well. Hold on. They want to sell up there. We know that. Just weak hands are selling. Little bounces, little profits. But big boys, they're gonna drive this into this 38 for sure, and maybe above. Might go even higher. because they need to sell into this minor liquidity up there. Do I have this minor liquidity correct? Seven more minutes. Fuck it.
Order
I
canceled.
can't do it.
Order canceled.
I have to close one. I'm gonna hold the rest. I'm gonna hold the rest because I need to take this partials, honest. Still not able to hold. Well, let's see now if we're gonna get a push. 45. Look at that. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna close to and through, right?
So in 5 minutes' time now at the top of the hour, do you see the release of the University of Michigan April prelim numbers? Sentiment forecast 79, on the
5
price
minutes
79
till
spot 4, with a range of 82 to
data.
77 expected. The 1-year inflation prelim
Liquidity is
2.9%
dropping.
on the prior
It's
2.9%.
disappearing. Liquidity is
5-year
disappearing
inflation
from
forecast 2.8%
bookmap.
on the prior 2.8%. We also get the expectations prelim forecast at 78 on the prior 77.4, and the conditions prelim.
It's getting
forecast at
thinner and
71.3
thinner, as you can
on the
see
prior
here. It's getting thinner.
82.5.
It can just collapse at any point. If they want to drop it, they can drop it. No, I'm happy that I took that partial before.
So shares of Alphabet hitting $2 trillion
There you
in
go,
market
look at
value
that.
after a 15% rally so far this year.
Can just go to the up. Pink line there on bookmap is the up. Let's see if they're gonna squeeze now. It's like on a very, very thin liquidity. They can just do whatever they want.
Payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
What is ES doing? He's got liquidity still there. 12 points higher. 12 points higher. How about here? 50. We have liquidity at 50, so let's try to close this at 49. 48. Oh, we stopped. Disappeared. The liquidity disappeared from here. Two more minutes. tempted to push this to, I don't know, to 50 and see if they're gonna squeeze higher. Tempted to hold this. I mean, technically speaking, we can go even up here. That's another level. But I'm not gonna. Gonna switch to M and Q after that, so I can have partials.
Leading with the University of Michigan sentiment prelim.
Okay, this 50 comes back.
Order filled.
Just close that here. That brings us to 1760. And I'm gonna switch to M and Q, so I'll stop the video here.
1 year inflation prelim at 3.1%, 3.1%, higher than forecast 2.9%. 5 year inflation 3%, 3%, and forecast at
Look at that.
1.3%.
It's sold into that
So again,
liquidity
the University of Michigan 1 and 5 year inflation
and dropping
expectations
like a
both coming in
stone.
higher than expected there. They're also
See
seeing a
that?
bit of weakness in the S&P 500 following this.
But they did sell. Look at this thing, man. We can go higher now, obviously, after they grabbed liquidity from here, from that 15-minute candle. We can push higher. But the drop was a nasty drop. Try to get in with five contract on Q. This Ninja so slow. Loading up takes time.
So we have posted out the University of Michigan April prelim reports on the feed for anybody interested. So just
Look too
seeing,
good to be honest.
from Israel
Or long.
Ballroom on Twitter here.
Just
They're
had a
saying
little
that
pop.
hostile aircraft intrusion alerts are sounding in northern Israel. So again, this is an unconfirmed report from a single Twitter source at the moment. But again, hostile aircraft intrusion alerts are sounding in northern Israel.
Okay, news in Israel. They are talking about Israel is expecting to be attacked by Iran in following days. Right. Hopefully I'll pass this account today. ES has got liquidity 200, 190, 185. It's definitely bearish action so far. Look at it. deep pullback. How long? How much longer, mate? And Ninja Trader. Don't see any liquidity above, nothing here. Just the liquidity below 165. Ooh, that will be a 165. Just switch here and see what we have. RTH. So there is an RTH liquidity. Alright. Still loading. That's RTH. It's yesterday's low. Okay. Still loading. So you can use ICT strategy for scalping as well, as you can see. Minor liquidity. You close your trades into minor liquidities, and that's it. Nasdaq is breaking the low right now. ES is breaking the low, almost. Look at it. I don't even need that here now. We just broke the open price. ES just broke low. I think that news about Iran and Israel is causing these problems. Makes the market go down. I mean, come on, how long? This thing. Let's watch this here. Look at that.
US stocks extend full. That's the Nasdaq down 1% now. They're keeping on the S&P down around spot 9%.
Let me just stop this video for a second. Okay, NinjaTrader loaded. This is where we are. Took that low.
So seeing from Al Jazeera breaking on Twitter, they're citing Israeli Channel 12, saying that the security consultations begin with the participation of Israel's PM Netanyahu. They're saying they're going to discuss the possibility of an Iranian response. So again, this is Al Jazeera breaking, citing Israeli Channel 12.
So we did drop into this liquidity here. We have some trapped shorts that are getting out right now. Same thing here on NQ. It's a bearish day. I think I'm gonna be shorting pops. So yeah, that's the liquidity that we have sold into our longs. Liquidity is here, 55, 50, 165 on the ES. I think we're just gonna grind lower and just try. Oh, it just disappeared. It just disappeared. Somebody changed mind. Don't want to short this into this low.
So seeing the US Treasury yield slip further, 10-year yield now down 9 basis points on the day to around 4.489%. And the White House say they're still waiting on a response from Hamas after the latest round of hostage talks.
We are on an Kia, so let's try. This is quite decent, 1,200, 1,700, quite decent buying. I'll try to
Order
catch
submitted.
along something somewhere here. Still liquidity here, but they might not get it. They got this one. That's the open price. 297. We might go and grab that candle though. So try to. It's gonna be below 75. The reason why now I'm switching into MNQ, this is evaluation console to go big at the open, you know, get the momentum running. I went 3 contracts. That's a lot, but the move was, you know, like 40 points. I think I closed one here, closed one somewhere here, and another one I closed, I think, I don't know, probably here. So that brings us to 1,760. I need 1,300 more to pass this account. I think by looking at volume profile, ES is basically, I just switched to RTH. You can see it better on RTH. We tapped into this liquidity. Whoever was short from yesterday managed to escape. We tapped once, we tapped second time. And I would not be surprised if we starts to climb slowly into the liquidity here at some point today. Yeah. Same story here. Tapped into this order block. That's pretty much, that was an order block as well, but here is much bigger. And we did take that order block, so that's the order block that we have, which we tapped into it. Same story here. Yeah, the top of it can look for a middle of order block to get in. Now the Nasdaq has got a little bit more. A little bit more to go. Almost there, really. I don't think we're gonna dip lower. It's 3 o'clock, sorry, it's 10:27. So we are approaching this level. 75 will be a good entry. Corresponds with the liquidity on Bookmap. We did take the liquidity, we pushed, we're coming back down. Got 2 more minutes on this candle. On this, this candle plus on the period as well. 79. Need 5 points lower.
Order filled.
There we go. So I'm in. And now it's all about managing
Seeing
this.
a tweet here from Al Jazeera Breaking. They say an American official told Al Jazeera that reports about the possibility of launching an attack, of Iran launching an attack on Israel today, Friday, are not yet confirmed.
Liquidity is still to 50. So that's like first partial. We could go down and grab that as well. But
Brent crude futures extending rise up to spot 6% now. It's above $92 a barrel.
1 minute, 27 seconds. Not much liquidity down here. So this is pretty much the base. 95. We are tapping into this order block. Yeah. Let's see if we're gonna take. We can push low and try to grab that liquidity as well. But because of this order block, I think that's another opportunity for us to get out from yesterday. I mean, technically, we could go down here and just take that low. Not much liquidity here to go lower. If you look at the volume profile, that's pretty much it.
So more reports from Al Jazeera on Twitter. They say an American official told them that they're moving additional military capabilities to the region to enhance regional deterrence and measures to protect their forces as well.
If we're patient, this can go to.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for
Up here.
non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get
And
our
higher.
special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price
We'll
of
see.
1 month and save 92%.
Big boys are. Street was selling. Like that. Bucket comes in. We're gonna be adding.
Order submitted.
Unlike the initial reaction. Probably not even gonna get there. $70. Okay, there's somebody waiting for 70. Yeah. Okay, could
Order
go to
canceled.
50. about that. But I want to give a little bit of space for this thing, because even if we drop lower, they're gonna snatch that. So I'm gonna give way more space. 50. I could go and grab that liquidity here, definitely. This is the 30-minute candle liquidity. That's why I switched to MNQ. So I just go with partial. So 5 contracts. I'm down $140. I can withstand that very easily. Let's look at ES. ES still has got some space to 97, 96, 95, maybe even 90. It's alright. Just hold this. Okay, so they did collect some of the liquidity, but not really. Okay, 250. 10 points lower. It's gonna scale in basically into that. Okay, ES is breaking. Don't see buyers yet. ES collected a lot of liquidity right now. It went through that order block. Alright. $500 down. Okay, so we did tap into this liquidity. It's alright. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Are we going can continuation that move to the downside? What do we see? Okay, it's just 65 guys gone. Okay. Okay. I probably have to wait a little bit longer. There will be a reversal. There could be a reversal somewhere here. But try to
Order
add
submitted.
here, and then we're gonna just close this somewhere in the middle of this fair value gap.
Order filled.
There we go. Whoops. Give more space now. Yes, it's very close to drop to the bottom. Now we can pull here. Let's try to get out somewhere here. I don't know if we're gonna get that, but $37. Are we gonna pop into this 37? And even 50. So we're in this range of chop right now. 45 past 10. The market likes to chop a little bit, you know, for another 10 minutes. Oh, should just pop a little bit here. Let's quickly check what ES is doing. Okay. You should get a pop to 240. $47. Two minutes on this candle.
Order
I'm gonna add one more here.
Order filled.
So I think we're just gonna pop somewhere here. Obviously I'm gonna lose on this one, but I'm pretty happy with the
US stocks extend their fall. The Dow Jones now
1 minute
down.
and 43
S&P
seconds,
down
and
over
we should
1%
pop
at around
higher
1% in the red.
on this candle. .20 seconds on this candle. It would be nice if we could pop down. Alright, let's just give it more space. We have a liquidity here, I guess I could go here. Alright, let's fucking risk my money today on this. ES is dumping, but the moment they hit, yeah, they did fucking hit the bottom. So I would say Nasdaq will reverse somewhere here soon. Alright, should reverse here. Got 7 more minutes. Yeah, I did fucked up this one. I'll have to take those fucking losses.
Order
Let's
filled.
fucking try one more here. Right, to just minimize the loss. We had a flash to the downside, really. Am I gonna get lucky on this one?
Order canceled.
Take
Order
that loss.
filled.
500 or 600. We'll see. Yeah, I was fucking lucky, honestly. It's pulling even higher. I should have closed it here. Yeah, I think we can pop from here, to be honest. Let's just wait another 3 minutes till this period will close, because this candle can just drop a little bit lower. They might try to grab this. I'll try to get in one more
Order
time
submitted.
at the low here. If we can get it. So ES did take the low.
Order
Just wait for.
canceled.
Might even go low. So if we break that, candle.
Order
Let's just
filled.
try to catch something. Yeah.
Target filled.
Alright. Liquidity grab. Fine. Let's see. Okay. I don't see ES dropping. It's just NQ. We might go down to this liquidity here. Alright. 4 p.m. London time, 11 o'clock here. Yes.
Order
I'm happy
filled.
to go long here. Now we're gonna pop. There we go. Beautiful push. They grab liquidity, they have everything. I think this is the place where we can reverse.
Order
Let's
filled.
go. 10 MNQ contracts. Did we take that? Shit, we didn't. We almost did, but we didn't. But I still think it's enough. Push into that liquidity up here, here, and there. So let's try to sell this.
Order submitted.
Where's 15 minutes candle? 15 minutes candle is 29. 29. $30. That's pretty much where the first. Liquidity is another 32, so let's go to 32 because it's very close. $1,500. ES is pushing as well. Okay. A pop to 240. All right. Yes, it's popping as well. Three 237 liquidity. One minute and 29 seconds on this candle. It's pretty much where we could go. $2,000 delta on that candle. That's decent. 12. I'm gonna add if we
Order
pull
submitted.
our ES is holding. What do we see here? Yeah, can go even 95 in one push. 35. Just patience, really. Two, 5. Okay, let's see if they're gonna come back one more time. No, they did it. Okay, fine. So let's go up. 240. Hmm. Let's do something else. Let's try to grab that here and hold the other one. Okay, so now we're gonna go lower. $205. Yeah, these buyers are stepping in 1 minute and 52 seconds on the candle. On this candle, the last minute and pop. Pop in the last minute. Maybe 200 even. Yeah, we'll definitely close one here then. Somewhere here. This 15-minute candle is 31.25, so let's close it just before. Let's see if we're gonna get there. Okay, so I want cheaper price then if we're going over. A little dip to grab the liquidity, possible. See this falling as well. Are we gonna
So
push?
noting the volatility
what?
index, the VIX, hitting the highest since October 2023 at 18.66. So analyst commentary on the markets today is the global
Order
financial.
cancelled.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with
Let's
Financial
see if we're
Use Pro.
gonna get that push
Now
into
only
liquidity.
$99 a year for our real-time service.
Gold and the dollar. Also noting oil rallied today as well, with Brent hitting as high as $92 a barrel earlier in the session.
What ES is doing. Alright, we still got this 95 level waiting. So let's see. Okay. Liquidity comes in. Pop to 30. Let's just try to grab that as a first target. Technically speaking, we should go to 15 minutes. So 3 more minutes on this candle and then we can go. 31. Alright, so just sell here. And we'll see if we go higher after that. $240. I could even go here, to be honest. Just try to test that fair value gap, 50. But I see liquidity up to 40, 2, 3. They're waiting for this candle to finish and the next candle will have a push. Okay, now they can push for 15 minutes. They have two 15 minutes candles here and there, so it's one. And there's a second one. Squeeze the shorts. There's one here and one over there, 32, so let's not be so afraid of taking profits a bit higher. Let's go now.
Order cancelled.
All right.
Order filled.
Let's see, and they did. Yeah, and they did take the 15 minutes candle as well. That brings us to 1,700 on a day. Nice push. And to be honest, that was a ultimate
Order
short,
submitted.
straight away short. But
Order cancelled.
unfortunately,
Order submitted.
oh, talking. So we did close into here, and I think the second one was somewhere here. That brings us to 1,711. But they are holding it
So seen
2,000,
from Saudi Arabia,
2000.
Israeli
That means
Minister of
we
National
might just
Security
continue
Order
higher.
cancelled.
meeting with the leader of the police, civil defense, and emergency services to ensure that their preparedness for an Iranian strike.
Yeah, it was a ridiculous hold. I have to close. I really need to just let it go. Okay, so the moment we get there,
Order submitted.
they're gonna, they are going to, most likely initial reaction will be to sell. Trapped longs here. Yes, it's still got a little bit of space. It's gonna be like a little, very, very little short. $16 liquidity, 55, 16. Then we're gonna get back here. Try to re-enter. Try to re-enter it. Re-enter long again. Alright, so that shot didn't work.
Order
We can get
cancelled.
them. Let's look at this. Do a pullback. So I'm still not holding. Look at that. I took here and there. And the push was into 45. And even more than that. We do have a pull-law here. They could get down there one more time. And then perhaps even this one. We'll see. More minutes on that period. Would be nice to close the gap. They did grab all liquidity here. Okay, let's see what they're gonna do now.
Order
Got some
submitted.
trap shots here, so
Order filled.
longs, I mean. Should pull a little bit. Okay. Got some resistance here. People are getting out. But I don't know. They're gonna drop or they're gonna continue. Looks like they wanna push.
Order
Let's get out
filled.
of this thing. There we go. I don't think we're gonna. I'm gonna wait for view up. Okay. Mm. They might try to test the view up on RTH, which is here. That's the liquidity. They could try to push through. Like a 50% push. Yeah, I would like this to pop through that to view up. 72 view up is 72, 73. Let's just
Order submitted.
try to shut this off the view up. $75, $73. Let's see. 75. So I just go 74. Did it yeah, they need to learn to. Oh, that was ridiculous. Just close, wait for a drop, for that liquidity to be taken. And it was here. Yeah. Patience is the key here to work on that. Okay. What is it? 34 past. We can get a push too. I can see liquidity at 218, huh? View up. We're just at the view up right now.
Order
Alright,
filled.
fine. I'm okay with that. Let's see. Alright. How far? Pretty much somewhere here. Still pushing. Going through view up. Is going through view up. That's okay. Another place. It's here.
Order submitted.
That's the open price. Okay, he has pushed for view up and it's falling down. Let's see, you're gonna get a pullback now and then Q as well. Back to view up. TH. Should get out here. Just get
Order
out.
filled.
So we're gonna bounce off that view up and try to go to 300. Alright. Let's watch. But pretty much I'm down on this day today. 1,619. That was a good entry here. I was thinking about it, but I was hoping for a little bit lower. Into that resistance. We pushed higher. Look at that. Stop losses popped here. momentum is gone. Alright guys, I think I'm done. It's beautiful weather today. So thanks for watching. 1700, no, almost. We'll try to pass this next on Monday. Like and subscribe. Take care.